Alright guys, we just got home. I don't know what's going on. Rachel answered the phone and then she said, hurry, hurry. And then the line went dead. I don't know what's going on. What the heck? What is going on?
Yeah.
What is going on?
Bad Maxie.
And he locked Mom in the bedroom.
What? Girls, Max can't do this.
Yeah, I can.
He's crazy. He tied us up.
He turned into a dog. He turned into a dog man and did this, and then he turned back into a dog.
Yeah, he's crazy.
Because y'all didn't give him whipped cream?
Well,
We
we
were
were
about
trying
to.
to. I was too small to get it. It was a pie.
I mean, did y'all let him see he got some likes on YouTube or something? He really did this?
Yes, he did. I can't do this stuff.
Alright, hold on.
This hurts.
What is going on around here? Max, what do you got to say for yourself?
Ring, ding, 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 ding.
Max,
Banana phone.
what did you do?
Ring, ding, 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 ding.
How did the whipped cream get on the floor?
Well,
He
when
did
I was
that?
getting it, he pushed us down because he wanted it now, and he tied us up.
And then when the whipped cream hit the floor, it squirted out.
Yeah.
Oh, what the?
I'm good. Come back. I'm going to
Did this really happen? Is this for real? My kids are tied up on the floor. I mean, he did warn us in a video. Max, you're a bad dog. Look, he's in trouble. Are you okay?
No.
Yeah, Max is crazy.
Max, what did you do, Max?
Oh.
You got dog hair all over you. Did he tackle you?